Yo folks, we're having a little rain in Florida. Our little doggies are trying to go to the bathroom and go in between the drops. Okay, let's get in the mood for this weather. Oh, just singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I love my little doggies, they're so very cute. Raven, our black dog, is taking a break and staying with Mama. She doesn't want to come out in the rain. She's not stupid. Just singing in the rain. You're singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. Just singing in the rain. Okay folks, that's enough of that. You can shut the video off. I'm not going to sing anymore. No sing anymore. I'm singing in the rain. That's Reba, folks. She's looking for little slugs. She likes to put them in her mouth, roll them in her mouth, and spit them out, and they die from the fright. Oh, God, to be a dog. They're so cute. Reba's so cute. Hello, Reba. See how she listens to her daddy? She's not ignoring her daddy. She thinks I'm talking from that side. That's all. Okay, Reba. Bye-bye. Take care, folks. Love you all. And I'm still singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling to be happy again. Well, one thing good, folks, if you look at this ground, it may be wet. Yes, it is. But, folks, there is no snow over here. Ha! Oh, God, forgive me there, folks from up north. Oh, yes, I don't envy you guys at all. Love you all. I've been there and I've done that. Take care.